Good afternoon, ABR Market Watch viewers. Today's trading session saw a cautious mood as the BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty indexes dipped amid US tariffs on Indian imports, although the Indian rupee slightly appreciated against the US dollar due to expectations of Fed rate cuts. The government bond yield slightly increased, while overnight index swaps rates decreased with 1-year and 5-year rates at 5.49% and 5.75%, respectively. Analysts warn that a potential GST rate cut next week could hurt state finances and impact capex-driven sectors like oil marketing companies, infrastructure, construction, and cement. However, a partial or symbolic GST cut might stall the recent rally in consumption stocks if implemented. The government must maintain its fiscal deficit target, which could lead to cuts in capital expenditure at both federal and state levels. Invest cautiously. The US's imposition of 50% tariffs on Indian goods for a year could potentially reduce India's GDP by 0.7 percentage points, according to HSBC. Key sectors like jewelry, textiles, and food items will face significant tariff increases, with labor-intensive industries being the most affected. Barclays warns of escalating risks to India's economic growth due to increased US tariffs, as about 70% of India's exports to the US, equaling $55 billion, are under threat. The apparel, gems and jewelry, footwear, and leather sectors are particularly vulnerable. Barclays suggests India should consider alternative export destinations. Nomura predicts that if these tariffs persist until the 2025-26 fiscal year, the impact on GDP could reach up to 0.4 percentage points. They have revised their initial 6% GDP growth rate forecast downward due to prolonged tariffs. The negative effects of weak exports and the ripple effect on labor and investments are expected to outweigh any positive impacts from the proposed GST reforms. In a second consecutive day of losses, India's major stock indices, Nifty 50 and Sensex, have fallen by 0.5% each, marking a challenging market landscape for many sectors while some domestic companies continue to navigate positive growth opportunities. Despite being exempted from current tariffs, IT and pharma sectors saw declines, but Ola Electric Mobility gained 8%, becoming the top gainer in the Nifty 500 after receiving compliance certification under India's production-linked incentive scheme for its Gen 3 scooters. As we navigate this complex market terrain, remember to stay informed and invest cautiously. Keep watching ABR Market Watch for more insights and analysis.